Hi friends, welcome back everyone to Angel Trading Friend. So today I'm going to touch upon a very beautiful topic, and it's nothing but options buying or options selling. And this confusion is there with most of you all. Many people keep asking, sir, whether we should go with the options writing or should we go with the options buying, and many of them don't even know the benefits of this option selling, nothing but the options writing. They only always think about options buying, and they lose a lot of money in their sellings as well. So I'll be touching upon theta as well today, the Greek theta. So in case if you people, those who know about this, can skip this video, but this is basically for people those who are with having little experiences in options, who don't know how to how to execute writing options, or don't know how to execute selling options exactly to the perfect. And also I'll be talking about the advantages of buying and selling also. Okay, so those who know about theta very well, and also those who are implementing it well, can skip this video, sorry. Okay, so let us go forward. So when it comes to option, the question which almost everyone keeps asking is whether we should buy options or whether we should sell options. What are the advantages of buying options and what are the disadvantages of selling options? And then the fact is 50 to 60% of them don't know that we can sell options. So I was also shocked when we were discussing this, or when I started off this training program with options trading tactics. When I was discussing about option selling, many were wondering how is that we sell options also, because they think that if the stock is going up, they will buy a call, and if the stock is coming down, we will buy a put. So that is what people were thinking. Okay. Now, for people those who are basics, I just want to give you a simple example that stock market is like an insurance. Okay, so in insurance, what does generally happen? Most of you, I agree, would have taken insurance. You would have bought your bike insurances or your car insurances. Many would have done life insurances. So most of you are aware of all this, and you know that the company makes lots and lots of profits selling their insurances. So what is going on in the background? What is that exactly which is happening? This is what you have to learn in the insurances. Okay, so stock market is like one insurance. It's like an insurance. So I'll just give you an example. Imagine a marketplace. Say for example, in the sake of insurance itself, there will be a seller. There are many companies like Bajaj or LIC India and all those things. And then there are the public, the buyers, that is we, who buy these insurances. Now what happens most of the time, these companies, that is the sellers, are in huge profits. Reason because it is not that all the time the buyers claim their insurance. Okay, so that means that the sellers have a probability of 70 to 80% of making money, whereas the buyer, that is we will make sure that we don't meet with any accidents. We'll make sure that our house is safe, or our car is safe, or our bike is safe. So our probability is negligible, in the sense we always are 100% sure that we will not claim our insurance this year. Nothing will happen to our car, nothing will happen to our bike. So it means that in case if this year I am not claiming the insurance, that money which I have paid as premium is going entirely to the person who sold the options. That is nothing but the insurance. Hope you are trying to understand it. I want to make it very clear. Okay, that is why I am giving this example of insurance, so that it will get deep inside you. What's the benefit of selling these options? Okay, so let me just repeat once again. Insurance people sell their insurance, but they have 60 to 70% probability that they will make money end of the year, whereas buyers, that is who buys option or buy the insurance, will make sure that our vehicle does not meet with any accidents. We make sure that we don't go bang our vehicle, or we don't lose our vehicle, and most of the time we don't claim the insurance. Clear with this? This is almost the same with our options as well. Trading options is no different. It's also same as how we discussed the insurance policies just now. Okay. Option traders frequently start their trading career as option buyers. This is what most of them do. When they come into options, or when they're learning options, most of them, they only buy the options. Okay, yes, I agree, it's a very great strategy when executed properly, but time value works against you. Okay, so most of the time this time effect or nothing but the theta, it works against you, and you will see that your options value is coming down by end of the month. Okay, so best option is, did you ever know that it is possible to be on the other side of the trade? So why only buy the insurance? Why don't you sell the insurance? Nothing but why don't you sell options? So that somebody else buys your option and you have a probability of 70% to make profit. Hope you're getting the concept. Okay. So this is a fact that 67% of options expire worthless every month. That is, crores and crores of amount get worthless every month. If such crores and crores of amounts are getting worthless every month, it means the person who is selling is making all these benefits, is making all these profits. So all the money which you are used to buy insurance is all going to the companies which have sold the insurance, and those people are investing it into many other segments and making huge money. They're giving the salaries, they're giving the incentives, they're giving many other things to their employees. So this is how just I want to compare to you insurance and how it is with selling with options. Okay. So the concept which I was telling was nothing but theta. This is a Greek word theta. It is a measure of the rate of decline in the value of an option due to the passage of time. I'll just show you an example. Yes. So to the left hand side is the options premium. So you can see an options with a decay of 120 days. Okay, that is nothing but you can say 4 months expiry. So 4 months expiry, it means that there is 120 days. Okay. So the premium value is 350. So as the time increases, as the time decreases, in the sense as it keeps moving sideways. So let us imagine if the underlying, that is the stock, if it is not moving anyways, you can see that this 350 with reducing this, when it comes down 20 days, you can see the 350 is coming down to 300. Again with the days it is coming to 250, it is coming down, and you can see with 20 days it's almost come to 150, and again by 0 days it has come down to almost 0. This is nothing but called as the theta. That is what this explanation says. It's a measure of the rate of decline in the value of an option. Okay. It can also be referred as options time decay. If everything is held constant, the option loses value as time moves closer to the maturity of the option. Okay. So as the time moves towards the maturity of the option, the value becomes 0. It's almost like your insurance is 1 year, and as the insurance is getting complete, it almost insurance value becomes 0. You will not get back your insurance premium paid. So is the same with options premium as well. So hope you understood this concept of theta. So let me put off the benefits of writing options. That is nothing but selling options. You get paid your potential profits upfront in the form of the options price or premium. So you will get the premium immediately as soon as you sell the options. If the options expires out of the money, which most of the options do, then no one will want to exercise your contract and you will keep your entire premium. Okay. Third is, as time value melts, the decline in the options value reduces your liability and risk as the options seller. Fourth but not the least is, you can close your trade at any time. So this is also, these are the benefits of writing options. Now, if options is so very good, lucrative to make money, then why are not everyone selling options and making money every month? The reason is there is a very big risk of selling options. That is nothing but it has unlimited losses. So just because I am telling you all these advantages of writing options, it does not mean that you can right away start going and selling your options from tomorrow, because there is unlimited losses when you sell options. That is why you can see that whenever you sell options, the margin which the brokers take will be very high compared to when you buy. That is because they have to cover, in case if there is huge loss or something, they have to cover it up. That is why you can see that almost the value is very high. Okay. So friends, in my YouTube channel itself, you can find that I have given many expiry day strategies and many hedging strategies where you make use of this theta effect and make good money. but I would recommend practice it. I would recommend that you learn all the tactics properly. You learn with experience. So make use of somebody's experience, those who already have trading, and also trade with a small amount. Only then you will make benefit of this theta effect. You can use it in any way. Okay, so one among the best one is the weekly expiries or the monthly expiries. Now that Nifty also has started weekly expiry, you can start with the weekly expiry. I will provide the link of that video in the description of this video. Okay, you can just click it and see. It's a very easy strategy. End of the day, that is end of the expiry, we just sell far out of the money OTM calls and then make sure that it ends up in zero. Or otherwise, I would also recommend you to this option trading tactics training program which I have started. It's for a 6 months training program where you will be taught a strategy, how you will be taught how to do the adjustment, which is the most important part, and it will be for 6 months. To show you, this is Excel file, backslash Excel file, and we are concentrating on the same part. We are concentrating on the theta effect. So you can see here, we are initially selling at 183 and this particular was bought back at 390 and we had a loss of 200 points. But whereas the other options has given us 130, sold at 130 and bought back at 11, so almost 119 points profit. Then again, we sold it, we did the adjustment and we sold at 66 and bought back at 6, again making 120 rupees decent profit. Again one more, we are selling at 54 and we are buying back at 32, and these are all in double lots. That is why you can see a multiplied with 2. So this is a strategy, this is an adjustment which we are learning, and you can see overall we are made a profit of 124 points apart from this buying. So this is how every month we will be doing an adjustment. So here also you can see that we made a huge profit of 429 points. So yeah, here you can see 248. So this is how we are making use of this theta effect in our options trading tactics. It's a very wonderful program. It's a 6 months program. You can also learn it, you can also practice it, and you can also trade along with me for 6 months, where you'll be getting complete guidance of doing the adjustments. As I've told you, remember the Chakra Vyuha. You might know how to enter the trade. Many will know how to enter the trade. Say for example, this particular example itself, in Google or in anywhere, they will tell you to sell this stock and sell this stock, or buy this stock, or buy this premium. All those things they'll tell you, but they will not teach you about the adjustments, which I believe is the most important part in making money in options trading, the adjustments. If you just stick to just the buying and selling of options, you will not make money. We have to learn the adjustments, when to do the adjustments, what is the premium you have to take, what is the short price, what is the strike price you have to take. All these things you have to learn, and all this will be covered in my 6 months program. So if you want further details about it, you can WhatsApp on my number 8095876525. But for as of now, I recommend you all to learn this theta effect, practice it, make use of the advantages that 60% of the time stocks become worthless. So make use of that opportunity, make use of that facility. And in case if you have any doubts, you want my help, as I already told you, or you want my backtested file, you can WhatsApp on my number 8095876525. Thank you and have a nice day.